Hi, this is Stephanie from Parsley Farm. Today I'm going to do some work on our electric fences. We have a few with some holes that need to be repaired, and I couldn't get any repair kits online. They were all back ordered, but I was lucky enough to score this in my most recent electric fence purchase. So today I'm getting at it. I tried these things and they weren't cutting very well, so I grabbed my Cutcos. I don't know if you have any favorite scissors, but these are mine. They cut really well. They can cut a penny even. Here I'm just trimming some frayed stuff. I'm gonna cut that bead right out and work with this piece. I guess I can get away with that. This one's in rough shape, so I'm cutting that and that. And that, and that. Hi, buddy. Wire. Tying it to and then I'll connect these up. To get a good connection, I'm just separating out the conductive wire. They're so tiny, I'm not sure you can even see them on the video. But there's one in each section. So there's 3 total in each string. There's a couple whites and 1 black section in each of these strings, and each have their own little conductive wire. I just separate those out. And kind of twist them together. There we go. Where did the other one go? There it is. I might need glasses. I'm telling you. Here's a little close-up. I've separated out the conductive wires, and I'll give them a good twist together before connecting the rest. So I have those connected, and now I'm just going to take all the little fray pieces, twist them back together, and I'll tie a knot with this stuff and clamp it with a little clamp. After getting the clamp secured, I just trim off the excess strands. There you go. Not the prettiest, but it'll work. I had a big hole here, I had a couple more holes in some other panels, but I got those all repaired today, which I'm pretty excited about. I have some tweaking I want to do with this because there's some frayed stuff I'd like to repair, but I'm out of materials for today, so that's all I got.